This is gonna be a huge challenge. We've never done a lot tour when the client is literally on the other side of the world. We're not gonna meet them officially until 100 days from now.
That is so nerve-wracking. I mean, the hardest thing is figuring out their personality and their needs and wants without them being here to tell me. Not to mention the time zone difference. So why don't we get on a call with them before they go to bed?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh my gosh,
Let's
Ariel and Brittany, all right, let's
Okay.
call. All the way in South Korea?
I love technology.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, it looks like you have nighttime happening over there.
It's 9 p.m. here.
Oh my God.
It's 8 a.m. here, so we're talking
13 hours difference?
more than half a day difference.
I'm gonna have to wear 2 watches on my wrist for this one.
When you visualize this dream home, what are some things on the wish list that you have to have?
4 bedroom, 2 bath. I like a nice big kitchen space.
Open floor plan.
Just the ability to roam around the house freely and
I like that.
not have a lot of clutter.
I like that.
Have you guys kind of envisioned the style of the house?
Yeah.
We definitely want modern, and I like little, pop of color. So you bring that modern but Florida vibe in there.
Yeah.
How much money do we have to spend on the dream home?
$475,000.
Okay.
And when you guys come back to the United States, you will officially be home in every sense of the word. So we are looking forward to it, guys.
We cannot wait.
Can't wait.
This is such a special time in Brittany and Ariel's life, and it's just an honor to be a part of it. They're putting a lot of faith in us, so we've got to come through on this one, Mika.
All right, we got to get this done. And now we have one less day because it's technically the future.
I'm so confused. We're living in the past. Cheers to your future dream home
Oh my goodness.
and your future favorite restaurant.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
This is right down the street from your
Right.
house.
This is why I'm moving here. I didn't think that I was going to be able to come back to the States, but I was able to take a work trip down here. I have 2 conferences, so, I thought it would be a great time to be able to, meet Mika and Brian and check out how things are going.
It's kind of nice, even though we only have half the team here today, to get your eyes on the blueprint of this home in person.
Now, that's some trust in the relationship right there.
But you know what? I think you guys probably had a little bit of that conversation before you came down here.
I think Brittany was a little nervous that I was going to be checking it out by myself, but, I think we've talked through it enough that I know what she likes. Okay, let's get into it.
Oh my God. The first thing you guys are gonna see is the outside exterior.
The grand staircase coming up is gonna look really cool. I mean, we gotta get you out of the flood zone. So you guys are gonna be over 5 feet elevated, high and dry.
That sounds pretty good to me.
All right, cool. So you'll notice that we have a board and batten look because you and Brittany really kind of want that coastal character, but we didn't do the entire front facade that way. We wanted to mix it up.
So you have the stone accent right in the entryway. You've got stucco.
Everything kind of blends in well, and just love how everything just comes together.
So let's take a look inside. So you have the nice entryway when you come in the foyer. You're not gonna see any walls. So your great room and your kitchen are in one open space. Also, there's a dining area in the back that'll be perfect for family meals, or you can sit at your oversized island.
I know Brittany's gonna love some more light to that kitchen, to that great room.
Why don't you enlighten us, Mika?
So I think that because you have the massive slider, I mean, you're gonna have a lot of natural light right in that room. I do think that we could probably enlarge this window that's over in the dining area.
Yeah, I think absolutely that'll work for her.
Okay. They might even have to wear shades in there because we're in the Sunshine State now, right?
I love that because in Korea, there's not a lot of sun.
Really?
Too much pollution.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is gonna be really different for you. Everything here is about indoor, outdoor living. So we wanted to make sure that you have a nice back lanai. And then all the bedrooms are actually gonna be on one side of the home, but your main suite is actually tucked towards the back. You're gonna have obviously the biggest room, a nice, massive walk-in shower, double vanities. So you have your 4 bedrooms, you have your 2 bathrooms, you're at 1,800 square feet, and we're keeping it in your budget of $475,000. So what do you think about this layout?
I think the layout's perfect. I think you guys, can go ahead and move on with what you have.
Well, good stuff. Hey, this is gonna be an exciting project. It was great meeting you in person. So, we ready?
Absolutely.
So Ariel and Brittany, I mean, they've been traveling around the world in the Air Force, and they're finally ready to put their roots here in Apollo Beach. But here's what's concerning me about this one. It's today here in Apollo Beach.
Yep.
It's tomorrow in South Korea.
Ah.
We haven't even started yet, and we're already a day behind.
We better get started then.
Another ground break, here we go. This never gets old. It's so much fun playing with these big old toys. I feel like a little kid again, playing in a sandbox. Just a little bit bigger sandbox this time. We have so much to get done today. We gotta clear the ground. We have to lay out the entire house. We gotta dig our footers. We put the stakes around the corner of the house, let us know exactly where our perimeter is gonna be, give us some boundaries. And then we start digging the footers. 100 days from now, Brittany and Ariel will be home. Time to block and roll. So we are standing in the footers of Brittany and Ariel's dream home. Today, we actually stacked the stem wall. The stem wall goes right on top of the footer, and it's the supporting structure of the entire house. A typical stem wall is usually 3 courses. This stem wall, though, because we're in Apollo Beach with all these canals, has to be 3 times taller than the normal stem wall. So this one is 9 courses. We have 2,000 block to stack. The good news is we're not expecting rain today. However, my shirt is already soaked. Whew. And we've got so much work to do, but just knowing how Ariel and Brittany are gonna light up when they see their dream home, it makes all this hard work definitely worth it. Got about 1,000 block down, 1,000 to go.
Hey there.
Hi.
There's a house. I would like to walk through, but the stairs are not here. How am I supposed to get in?
We're over 5 feet up in the air here.
Oh, geez.
You coming?
Okay.
I want to somehow show them the progress, but they are probably sleeping in South Korea right now.
Maybe we just give them like a little sneak peek with a video.
So when they wake up, they see our beautiful faces.
Oh, geez. And their beautiful house, more importantly. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do a video for them.
All right. Good morning, Brittany and Ariel. You are halfway around the world, but we are halfway done with your dream home.
As you can see, your space is really taking shape, really nice and open in all your living areas.
I cannot wait for you to come home and finally see your dream home. We've been working hard, and we're really looking forward to this.
We'll see you soon.
Bye, guys. We lost our subs for 2 weeks while they helped with hurricane relief, but now they're back, and it's like an insane game of catch-up. Installing kitchen cabinets today, so one step closer. Brittany and Ariel rebooked their flights to be here for day 112, so we need to seriously pick up the pace and make sure we're ready for them. We had to borrow subs from some of our other projects, so we have every square inch of this house getting worked on simultaneously. This is exactly where that old fence blew away in the hurricane, and not only is this new fence gonna look better, it's gonna be a strong fence too, so the next time a storm comes, this fence is not going anywhere.
What's going on? Literally rocking and rolling.
You know it.
Wow. Today I'm stopping by Brittany and Ariel's because the special project is being installed. Jade and I went on our field trip, and I feel like we got the perfect inspiration, so I'm hoping that the vision is coming to life.
So right now, I know this kind of looks like a rock pile, which it technically is, but waterfall's gonna stream all the way down to this pit. There's 180 gallons of recycled water here.
Wow.
And we had to dig a hole 4 feet deep, ran all our underground electrical, underground plumbing, so it's like maintenance free. It's gonna be really cool.
I love that because I don't want to create more headache for the homeowners. I want them to just sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Always love it when we have mature trees on site. This is a sable palm. It's the state tree of Florida, so kind of an extra welcome to the Sunshine State for Brittany and Ariel. Just needs a little haircut. Brittany and Ariel are in the air right now and land tomorrow morning, so we still have a lot to get done today. Even though we're over our 100-day time frame, we did make up some time. We got it within under 2 weeks. We're still tardy, but I feel like we still knocked this one out.
I think this house for Brittany and Ariel, it's very well done as far as feeling nice and open. It's 1,800 square feet and it feels much bigger than that. This house got a modern flair to it, but there's hints of coastals, touches of blue in there. Finally, a resting spot that they can stay in for hopefully more than 2 years. Also, those sentimental pieces, oh man, they look amazing in uniform. Their travel photos, an illustration of where they've been. I feel like that tells their story so they can walk in and feel right at home. Oh, Brittany and Ariel, we are gonna make that really long flight worth it for you guys.
Jay, look at this hibiscus.
Those
Pink.
are pretty.
Beautiful. And I told you what this is called, right?
A vermilia.
Yes, bromeliad.
Okay.
What'll happen, Jade, is that these will eventually grow right in the rocks.
Hello.
Ooh, Jay, Dad, looking incredible. Let's put it back here.
Okay, can you test it out? Let me know how you feel.
You three try out the bench. I'm gonna try out the waterfall.
So Jade, is this kind of what you envisioned?
I mean, it's a lot bigger than I expected it to be, but that's not a bad thing.
Jay, bigger is better.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to give me a countdown?
Okay.
3,
2, 1.
Oh, it's alive!
I hope that we pulled this off. I feel pretty confident about it.
I feel good. You finish in here, I'm gonna go finish in the
All right, yep.
Yeah.
There's Mika and Brian.
Oh my God! Look at! Oh my God, I could cry.
This is amazing.
Oh my God! This is so
Wonderful.
beautiful.
Hey!
What's up, man? Good seeing you again.
Hey, good
It's so
seeing you.
nice to see you.
Not just nice to see you, nice to meet you
Nice
as well.
to meet you.
You guys flew over 7,500 miles to get here. I gotta ask you, how was that last kind of half mile down the street?
Oh my gosh, like probably the most exhilarating last mile that we've ever had in our lives.
Yeah?
Yeah, we were super excited.
Yes. We've been waiting for this moment.
Well, we've come a long way in every sense of the word. What do you think your dream home?
Absolutely amazing. It's stunning.
We love what you
We
guys
love
did
it.
with the siding.
Isn't that cool
I
how it
love
looks
it.
like real wood?
Yes.
Yep.
And we matched the garage door too.
I know.
Great
Nailed
job. Everything came together perfectly. I mean,
Came
you
to
guys,
life.
you guys nailed it.
Yes. That's what we like to hear. And we're 12 days over, so please forgive our tardiness.
We understand there was a major hurricane that happened, and we just appreciate it regardless of what the timeline is.
You know, good news is the way we built your house, that any future storms that come here, you guys are gonna be high and dry in your brand new dream home.
You know, to get out of the flood zone's one thing, but it makes it feel more grand, too.
Yes.
Like, it makes a
yeah.
statement.
it. Absolutely.
All right, that's enough about the outside. You guys ready to test out these steps?
We're ready.
Check out the inside?
Ooh,
Yeah,
go
let's
ahead.
go.
You first.
Moment of truth.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Wow.
oh my gosh. This
This
is
looks amazing.
freaking crazy.
Freaking crazy is good.
I like it.
Stunning. This is stunning. We got the open floor plan that we want.
Yes.
Look at this.
Who's that?
Look
Yeah.
at that.
Who's the blonde?
Fun.
Yes,
Oh my
all throughout the
gosh.
house, we got photos of you because we want it to feel like home, even though it's a brand new house.
Oh, we love this.
love that.
This is Namsan Tower. This is actually one of our favorite places to go visit.
We know you guys made great memories in South Korea, so we wanted to make sure that you had some of those inside this brand new house as well.
We love every aspect of this. Look at this kitchen. I'm just speechless right now.
Go explore the kitchen.
Everything about it.
Wow. I can't get over these countertops. They're probably the best countertops that I've ever seen.
I love that.
Yes, this is amazing.
Man,
And our floors, look at our floors.
these are lovely.
Look at the board out here.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
The shiplap on the
Texture
island,
That looks so good.
and the shiplap actually matches over the hood.
Look at
I
that.
know, the hood looks so good. And the backsplash, look at it. This looks great.
What do you guys think about your breakfast nook right here?
Love it.
Yeah, this
It
is
perfect
super
size.
nice.
Oh, and our chandelier, beautiful.
You know, military housing looks nothing like this. You have the lower ranking and then the higher ranking. I would say that this exceeds even that.
This is like 5-star general status.
5-star general.
Baby.
So as far as the bedrooms, you know, we have them on one side of the house. Let's go.
Oh my gosh! Look at this! You have your little office.
This is perfect.
This one's kind of in the front of the home, so you can have the natural lighting.
We put a closet in here, so if you ever did want to convert it to a bedroom down the road, it still counts as your 4th bedroom.
So let's go check out the true guest room.
Let's do it.
The tour continues this way.
This is
Yes!
amazing. Look at
is
this.
Nice.
Love the bed, love the carpet, and everybody's gonna have a beautiful view from the front.
Yeah. Ready to see bedroom number 2?
Let's go. Look at this.
Awesome.
This is such a nice little space.
Yeah.
And look at all the sun that's coming in on this side of the window.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to Florida.
Welcome to Florida.
Sunshine's included.
Yes.
All right, we've got
Let's
a
do it.
journey across the hallway here.
Nice little guest bath here to service all 3 of these rooms.
Oh my gosh. Look at
This
this.
is perfect.
Beautiful.
I love how the floor matches the siding of the shower.
All right, time to see your main suite.
Let's go check it out.
Here we go.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh.
What
Look
is
at
this?
This is
This-
beautiful.
Look at these. Check
Oh my
these
gosh.
out.
Those are poofs.
Hey, nothing wrong with a good
Then we can see right in the backyard.
The layout's perfect. Just everything makes a lot of sense.
I love the barn doors.
Yes, we got matching barn
Love
doors
them.
to
Okay.
your main closet and your main bathroom.
I love the knob on this.
Oh my gosh.
You set me up.
Peekaboo.
Yeah. Yeah. This is amazing.
Check this out. There's so much room for activity.
I love the tile. It's awesome.
We love it all. We love the flow. Like this is amazing.
So speaking of flow, why don't we flow to the outdoor space?
Oh.
Y'all ready to see it?
Ready?
Let's go
We're
see
ready.
it. Wow. What is that?
Awesome.
This is so cool. I've never seen anything like this before.
It's definitely an area where we hope that you can relax.
Yeah, this is perfect. I love all the plants. Just being able to come out here and really enjoy this really makes us feel like we're at home.
You are.
This is
You are.
amazing.
You guys want to take it for a test drive?
Awesome. Yeah, let's-
Absolutely.
Oh,
I think that's
look at this.
Look at that.
it. Oh, y'all look so cute.
Huh?
Okay, see, I feel like this is the first official photo.
Yes, it is.
The first official photo of them in Florida that's going on the gallery wall.
We might have to do this at our house.
Yeah, thank you guys for everything you've done. I mean, I couldn't have asked for anything more.
This has been such an honor. You had to put such a huge amount of faith and trust while you weren't here. I mean, this is a huge decision in life, and to do it from thousands of miles away makes it even scarier. So your bravery is inspiring.
Absolutely.
I'm so happy that you're pleased. And you know, what you did ask for was basically the must-have. So the 4 bedrooms, the 2 bathrooms, a little over 1,800 square feet.
We also kept it in your budget of $475,000, and we got this home built in 112 days. So there you go. And thanks for letting us be a part of your forever Florida home.
We appreciate the both of you and everything that you put into this home.
It's been awesome, you guys. Enjoy the house.
I am extremely happy with how everything has gone.
I was super amazed by the timeline and how fast things got done and how awesome everything turned out. It's been pretty seamless. Oh, this looks so good. You know, just being back in Florida, brand new home that's just been built, it's been great. Yeah, here you go.
Thank you.
My parents wanted to come over next week.
Oh yeah, that'd be great. We'll cook some dinner.
Perfect.
We'll break in this kitchen.
Yeah.